Okay, students. So, students, I told you that in this chapter there are some main characters. First character are Captain, okay. Second character are Mary, and third character are Jonathan. Jonathan was how many years old? He was 6 years old, and daughter Sujan. She was 7 years old. Okay, and there is a boat, and the boat name is Wave Walker, and Wave Walker was 23 meters long, and the weight of the Wave Walker was 30 tons. Okay, so the captain decided that he will take the sea route in the roughest Indian Ocean, and that's why the captain he started traveling with his family in the roughest ocean by the Wave Walker. So I was explaining this chapter what was happened on 25th December. On 25th December they celebrated the Christmas day on the boat. Okay, and they thought that on the new year the weather will be fine, but the weather was not fine. The weather became more worse than before. Okay, and the waves were alarming. The waves were alarming, and it was rising very high. And the waves were going into the mud. And on 2nd January, it was happened that so the poet felt that the air was storm. Okay, and there was the ominous silence. It was the ominous silence, and the captain he saw that there was a huge cloud in front of him. But suddenly he felt that it was not a cloud, it was a wave. Okay, and the captain thought that he could ride on the wave. So suddenly the wave hit the deck, and the boat Wave Walker now it was what I have drowning in the water. It was sinking in the water, and the captain's head was smashed with the wave, and his teeth were broken. Okay, and his limbs were broke down, and what was happened? So suddenly another wave came, and another wave made the stake to the boat, and the boat came on the top of the water, and suddenly the Mary came, and Mary she was shouting, she came shouted, and she told that now we are drowning. Then captain said that come and catch the wheel. What is it? Come and catch the wheel because I am going to see the children. So when he is in the cabin of the children, he found that so Jonathan was good, but Susan it was bumped. Okay, and but he had no time for the treatment of his child, and that's why he came back from the cabin and he saw that two crewmen, American Larry Vigil and second name was Cecil Sagler. So American Larry Vigil and Cecil Sagler, so they were throwing the water like the madman. Okay, consumers were throwing the water, but at last, just captain he was started searching of the hammer and canvas and he flew for repairing the boat because he knew that if he will not repair the boat, so what will happen? The boat will surely sink in the water and he will die with his family. So that's why he started searching of the hammer and canvas. Okay, and then he started repairing of the boat. Then he saw that the hand pumps were not working. The hand pumps were not working because the hand pumps were floating on the water. And then captain he saw that only one hand pump was working. So he fitted the one hand pump and he started throwing the water outside of the boat. And but the condition of the boat was very bad because many places the boat was broke down. That's why anyhow he had to repair the boat And second thing that he had to reach a safest place so that he could save the life of his family. But so that's why what was happened? The everything was just what was happened. It had gone in the water, like food and everything, whatever they had brought for the traveling. So all the things it had poured in the water, and they had no food for eating. So after 2 days, Mary, who was the wife of captain, she got the beef and bread. And after 2 days, they had the food. Okay? So now I am going to explain chapter by paragraph. So the roar increased to a thunder as the ether moved up to the face of the wave. It means that the roar increased. It means that on 2nd January it was happened that the roar was increased as thunder and ether moved up face of wave. And for a moment I thought we might ride over it. And captain is telling that for some time they thought that they could ride over on the wave because just it was very huge and it was the double size of the boat. But they made tremendous shook the ship. But what happened? Suddenly the wave shook the deck and then it was a crash with the wave. Okay? A torrent wind of white water broke over the sea. It means that everywhere on the ship it was spread the white and green water, and now what happened? Everywhere the captain he can see the only white and green water on the sea. My head smashed into the wind, and what happened then? Captain's head was smashed into the wind. And just I was aware of flying overhead, sinking below the waves. It means that captain found himself that he was just going deep into the water and he was sinking because everywhere there was the water. Because now the captain was surrounded by the water because the boat was sinking in the water due to the heavy waves. Okay. I accepted my approaching death. He said that just the captain he accepted his death because he knew that now the boat was inside the water and that's why they are unable to save the life. So he accepted his death. And as I losing consciousness, I felt quite peaceful because now the captain he was feeling the consciousness. He was feeling peaceful because now he was drowning in the water. That's why he was feeling consciousness and he was feeling peaceful inside the water. Unexpectedly, my head fall out of the water. It was happened that suddenly the captain's head it came out of the water. A few meters away, Vivaka was near capsizing her mast almost horizontal. It means that a few meters away, just almost the ship mast was the horizontal, but now it became straight. Okay, and then wave hurled her upright, and then wave what it the wave made it right. Okay, and made it straight, and that's why the boat came on surface of the water, and that's why their life was saved and they could save their life. My lifeline jumped out. I grabbed the guard rails and sailed through the air into the Vivaka main room. Even through the air. Just the captain he was sailing the Vivaka main room because now he knew that they can save their life because now the boat had come out of the water, was not running because due to the second wave. Subsequent waves told me around the deck like a rag doll. mean that like a rag doll. Suppose that if the water is smashing to the doll, okay, so the doll will what happen? It will go inside the water. So the captain he was feeling he was also like a doll. My left lips cracked. What has happened? His left lips were cracked. My mouth filled with blood and broken teeth. And what will happen? His mouth filled with the broken teeth. It means that just his mouth filled with the blood and his teeth were broken. Somehow I found the wheel and lined up the stern to the next wave and hung on. It means that somehow the captain he caught the wheel of the stern on the next wave and hung on. Because due to coming on the next wave, so he hung on so that for the coming and for saving the life, just now he started moving the wheel of the boat. Water, water everywhere. He said that water, water everywhere because there is water. And where he was watching, where he was seeing, everywhere there is the water. I could feel that the ship had water in it. It means that the captain he could feel that the ship had the water. Because now the ship was filled with the water. But I dared not abandon the wheel to investigate. But I dared not abandon the wheel to investigate. Suddenly, the front hatch was thrown open and Mary appeared. It means that, so it was happened that suddenly the front door was open, coming, and Mary was the wife of captain. She appeared in front of captain, and what she said? She said that we are sinking. Who said? Captain's wife said that we are sinking. She screamed. The decks are smashed. It means that the decks of the boat it is smashed with the wave. Due to the wave, the deck it was smashed. And we are full of water. And we are full of the water because water everywhere. Take the wheel. And captain said that take the wheel. Catch the wheel. I shouted as I scrambled for the hatch. It means that just the captain is shouting for his wife that come and catch the wheel. And Larry and Hobbs were pumping like madmen. And Larry and Vigil. Who are Larry and Vigil? Larry and Vigil, they were the two crewmen, okay, who had gone with the captain for rowing the boat with him, and now they were throwing the water like the madmen. Broken timbers hung at crazy angles. The whole starboard side and bulged inwards. It means that broken timbers hung at crazy angles. It means everything was hanging. And the whole starboard side and bulged inwards. And crockery, jars, tins, and toys, and floated about in the water. It means that whatever the things they had carried for traveling, so everything, it had gone into the water. Now it had slid in the water. Like clothes, crockery, jars, tins, and toys, and everything, so whatever they had carried with them, so everything it was just uploaded in the water. I have swam, half crawled into children's cabin. Captain said that I have swam and half crawled. Swam means turn, okay? उसने आधा तैरा आधा किसने क्या किया? रेंगा. Crawl means होता है रेंगा. So I have swam, half crawled into the children's cabin. Are you all right? And he asked them that are you all right? Are you fine? Yes, they answered from the upper bunk. And from the upper bunk, the captain, children, they said that they are fine. But my head hurts a bit. But who said? Sue.